Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now fans will have to wait until next year for Tanya Stephens' new album. The artist, however, over the weekend released her mixtape Tanya Stephens in Beast Mode. The mixtape is an apology for the withdrawal of her promised studio album, which was scheduled for release in August. The hit singer, whose album was pushed back to 2019, wanted to appease her fans who have been waiting patiently for 4 years for a new album. The 3-hour mixtape, produced by Jazzy T and mixed by Sound System Renaissance Disco, features some old favorites and new tracks. Tanya's last album, Guilty, was released back in 2013. However, her most renowned work was Revolution in 2006 and her 2004 album Gangsta Blues, which made the Billboard Top 10. She later achieved international recognition with her hit single, It's a Pity. Singer-songwriter Jesse Royal is on a high from his US tour. The Billboard chart topper recently spoke with E-Prime, where he gave an update on his musical moves.
Well, we actually just finished up our last US or North Coast tour for the year. We did East Coast, we did Montreal, Toronto, Philadelphia, Atlanta, DC, Brooklyn and Woodstock.
Royal's debut album Lily of the Valley, released in October last year, rose to #1 on the Billboard Reggae chart. Kevin Hart pulls out of the Oscars less than 2 months to go. The organizers of the Academy Awards are desperately scrambling to find a new host. According to reports, the Academy didn't have a backup host to call upon after Hart suddenly pulled the plug after his old homophobic tweets resurfaced, causing public calls for his withdrawal. Reports said that the Academy may be going completely host-free for the 91st Academy Awards. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.